Hey there, this is Odetta Shell with Big Joe Backyard Barbecue. Today we're smoking a whole pork belly in our quest for the greatest BLT ever made. To start us off, we've got a beautiful half slab of heritage pork belly, and I would recommend going for the highest quality pork belly you can get. Heritage, Berkshire, all these different breeds are really great. And I'm just gonna cross hatch the fat cap here just to make it easier for that fat to render down when it's in the Kamado Joe. And we just wanna make sure we're not penetrating into the meat. We just wanna get to the surface level of the fat. And this will also let us get more of our rub into the nooks and crannies here. Next, we're gonna season this on all sides with your favorite barbecue rub. For us, we use the Killer's Hog. And make sure you rub it all in. Our Big Joe 3 is set up for 225 degrees indirect with the ceramic plates on the bottom, and then I got a dry aluminum foil pan on top of that just to catch the drippings from the pork. I'm gonna set up the pork belly right on top of that just so it can catch all the fat that's gonna render down. And we're gonna run this to about 200 degrees internal when measured in the exact center of the pork belly. And this is a very, very forgiving piece of meat. So if we're a little bit higher, a little bit lower, or it's a little bit hotter in the grill itself, that's all gonna be fine. 2.5 hours in, I'm just gonna brush this with a little mixture of apple juice and more of our rub just to keep everything nice and moist. But it is smelling really, really good. Just to show you vent settings, we're at the 1 hash mark up top and then about a quarter closed down below. It's been 9 hours. We've hit 200 degrees internal temperature on our pork belly. It's been doing awesome in here. And every 2 hours, we'd come in and hit it with that apple juice rub mixture just to keep everything nice and moist there. But now we're going to get it off, get this into 2 layers of aluminum foil. You can hold that for 30 to 60 minutes. For us, we're going to be using this for lunch tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and get this in the fridge and prepped for that. We've reached the next day. Going to go ahead and get this sliced up so we can put this onto the cast iron. And I'm going to do some nice thick pieces here. A really nice texture. And we just want to warm and crisp these up here. Now we'll put everything together. We're going to start with a little bit of Japanese mayonnaise. Then our beautiful pork belly. Then a little tomato, and I like to put a little bit of French finishing salt onto the tomato, just for a little bit of extra seasoning. Then our lettuce. This is an all-timer of a BLT. Okay, here's our first bite. That's amazing. I mean, the pork belly is just so tender, packed with flavor. I love the whole BLT combo with the tomato and the lettuce and the toast. This works also really great if you want to do Korean style lettuce wraps. That's a phenomenal way. You can use it as a just absolutely gluttonous topping on a burger. But this was fantastic. We hope you like that. Make sure to leave us a comment if you enjoyed this and any tips on how you've made pork belly in the past. Thanks so much for watching.